These are the new LED sequential LED lights offered for the 2007 to 2011, I believe, when they still had the halogen bulbs inside the casing, however you want to call it. But want to demonstrate how they look on. They're a very nice look to them. Now we'll test them here with the hazards on, so you can see how they look on both. Look very good. I recommend them. They are definitely brighter. They make the car look way more modern. They give the car more lights inside, as Volvo just put one little bulb in there, so really it's not going to be as bright as these. This is literally a strip of LEDs that were integrated inside. But yeah, no, they are definitely highly recommended if you want to enhance the look of your car, or you're trying to give it a sportier look, but at the same time you will give it a sportier enhancement and a safer drive. As you can see, it is very bright. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to comment. Thanks.